Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we've got some exciting news for all you tech enthusiasts out there. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has hit the market, and we put its battery life to the test. Trust us, the results are nothing short of impressive. In fact, it blows away the competition, including the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Stick around as we dive into the details. Now you might be thinking, same battery as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, so what's the big deal? Well, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra not only shares the 5,000 mAh battery with its predecessor, but outperforms it by a long shot. In our testing, the S24 Ultra lasted an astonishing 16 hours and 45 minutes, a hopping 4 hours longer than the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and that's not even in its most power-efficient mode. We conducted our battery test, which involves web surfing over 150 nits of screen brightness. The Galaxy S24 Ultra set a new standard for flagship phones, especially when compared to the competition. Speaking of competition, let's talk about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Known for its impressive battery life, the iPhone 15 Pro Max clocked in at 14 hours and 2 minutes in our test. A commendable performance, but here's the kicker. It falls nearly 3 hours short of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's epic endurance. So if you're looking for a phone that keeps up with your demanding lifestyle, the S24 Ultra seems to be a clear winner. Now, you might be wondering, what's the secret behind this incredible battery life? Well, it could be the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, shared with the Asus ROG Phone 8. Qualcomm promised a 25% better efficiency, and boy, are we seeing the results. The difference in juice between the S24 Ultra and its predecessor is absolutely bonkers. This new chip is a game changer, and it's evident in the S24 Ultra's outstanding performance. But the good news doesn't end there. If you're in a hurry, the Galaxy S24 Ultra won't keep you waiting. With a 45-watt charger, it reached a mind-blowing 71% charge in just 30 minutes. In comparison, a 20-watt Apple charger only managed 41% in the same time frame. Impressive, right? Samsung seems to have nailed both endurance and charging speed with the S24 Ultra. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has earned its spot among the longest-lasting phones ever. If you're looking for a device that can keep up with your busy schedule and won't leave you stranded with a dead battery, the S24 Ultra is a solid choice. For more details and our complete hands-on review, be sure to stay tuned in for the full review video.